Alright, YouTube. I figured it was now or never if I was going to do this. I'm not going to be doing a versus test this time, but I will be doing a dirt test. I'm using one of my red, white, and blue vacuum cleaners, so that should tell you something. Yep, this is a Memorial Day vacuum video. So, without further ado, let's start the test. Line of shame. That's where the belt goes, as we all know. Those are just little twigs you hear in there. Alright, and there's the test. I hope y'all did enjoy it. Comment what you want to see. Go to the About section to see where you can reach me, and you can also check out the Patreon page while you're there, if you want to. And tell me how you liked it. And I will also subscribe if you want to see more, if you're new here, and click or touch the bell for more. Until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.